Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my girlfriend's amazing lentil patties recipe. These are not only nutritious, super delicious, but they are also 100% vegetarian and vegan friendly. Perfect for anyone looking to switch things up. Packed with plant-based protein, fiber and all the goodness your body needs. These crispy patties are perfect for a healthy snack, a side dish or even a main course. You won't believe how good they taste and how easy they are to make. They will easily become a favorite and regular in your kitchen. So let's get cooking and turn these humble lentils into the star of your next meal.
Alright, let's dive into what you need to make these tasty patties. 1 cup of brown lentils and 1 cup of yellow lentils. This will give you about 17 patties. Make sure to wash and soak them for 2 hours and then drain the water. 1.5 medium-sized onions chopped. 3/4 of a red bell pepper, half of a yellow bell pepper, both chopped. 3 mushrooms chopped. Half or 1/3 of a carrot depending on its size chopped. Half a bunch of fresh coriander leaves chopped. For spices, here's the magic mix that'll give your patties that burst of flavors. 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/3 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 and 3/4 teaspoons of cumin powder. Now this is completely optional. Chili powder or cayenne powder to taste. I used about 3/4 teaspoons of chili powder. Salt to taste. I used about 2 teaspoons. 2 or 2.5 teaspoons of garam masala. Alright, let's prepare our lentil base. Take your soaked lentils and blend them. Here's a helpful tip. Avoid blending them all at once. Work in batches, adding a little olive oil to help the process. If needed, pause occasionally to scrape down any lentils stuck to the sides of the blender. We are aiming for a slightly chunky consistency, most of it smooth, but with some half or whole lentil pieces left for that crunchy texture, like this. Once your lentils are completely blended, transfer them to a large bowl. Now we add the chopped onions, carrots, bell peppers, mushrooms and coriander leaves. Give everything a good mix so the veggies are evenly distributed throughout the lentil base. At this point, you already start to smell those fresh ingredients coming together. Now comes the flavor bomb. Add in the garlic powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, salt, garam masala, and a bit of oil. Mix everything well until the spices are fully blended with the lentil veg mixture. Don't rush this part. You want to make sure every bite is packed with flavor. Once you've got everything nicely combined, flatten the mixture with a spoon to check the consistency. It should already be holding together. If it seems a little dry, just add little bit more oil. Now for the fun part. Shaping and frying. Heat your preferred oil in a pan. I used olive oil. You want enough oil to cover about half of each patty while frying. While that heats up, let's shape our patties. Take some of the mix, form it into a ball, then flatten it into a nice round shape like a mini burger. They should look something like this. Once the oil is hot, gently place your patties into the pan. Make sure not to overcrowd them. Leave enough room to flip them over later. Fry on a medium heat until the bottoms turn golden brown, which should take around 5 to 8 minutes, depending on your stove. Flip them over and fry the other side until it's also golden and crispy. Repeat this process with the rest of the mixture and before you know it, you'll have a stack of perfectly crispy, flavorful lentil patties. And there you have it, delicious crispy lentil patties that are packed with nutrition and flavor. I promise once you try this, you'll be hooked. And if you want to take them to the next level, you need to try these with my homemade garlic sauce. We always pair them with it. You can find the garlic sauce recipe on my channel, just check out the shorts. So go ahead and give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments how they turned out for you and if you have any fun variation or tips of your own. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I've got more tasty recipes coming your way, so stay tuned. And thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Stay blessed.